Hello, I am Rimu Chaudhary. I'll show you about the Windows 11 news. The Windows 11 release or not. Actually, Microsoft announcement that Windows 11 will release from the October or November, the month of year of the last, but they have launched for trial to the stuff with the stuff. So in with the stuff is version develop few version they have shared for using. So in this version I will show how to download Windows 11. So I will go to show you a website that's named Windows 11 Pro. Reading they have described here the Windows 11 features and minimum requirement of the PC. Here I see a different, that's TPM, that's mean trusted platform module, that is a security device on a PC that need to enable from BIOS all the latest laptop or desktop. It's integrate. If not integrate, you can add a module that's a small integration device. So you make sure this is enabled, and then you will go here or click here for download. So I'm going to click here download. Okay, here it is, the ISO file. This ISO file, okay, let me save. I see here 4.5 gigabytes. That's Windows 11 Developer Edition. This. So if when it will download complete, you will boot your flash driver or your USB pen drive, and you can set up on your laptop or desktop. So we can use Windows 11 developer build before launch for public Microsoft. So thank you for watching my video.